Welcome to Tailwind. In today's video, we're going to create a wildlife corridor mapping interface using Tailwind CSS. By the end of this video, you'll be able to build a beautiful and functional UI component just like the one you see on your screen. Let's get started. Let's start by creating a container for our component. We'll use a div with Tailwind classes for background color, text color, padding, rounded corners, and shadow. We'll also set a maximum width and center it horizontally with margin auto. Next, we'll add a flex container inside our main div to align items centrally. This will help us structure the inner content effectively. Let's add an image to represent wildlife. We'll use a placeholder image with rounded full class for a circular shape and margin right to separate it from the text. Now let's add some text next to the image. We'll use a heading and a paragraph with appropriate text sizes and font weights to make it visually appealing. Below the flex container, we'll add a grid layout for additional elements. We'll use a single column grid with some gap between items. Let's add a grid item to represent a corridor. We'll use a white background with black text and some padding for contrast. The rounded corners and shadow add depth. We'll add another grid item for a second corridor. This demonstrates how easily you can expand the grid with more elements. Finally, let's add a third corridor to complete our grid. This setup allows for easy scalability as you map more corridors. Great job! You've successfully created a wildlife corridor mapping interface with Tailwind CSS. We covered how to use various Tailwind classes to style and structure our component. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you in the next video.